Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aniket here. So hello guys. Now as you can see, we are in my computer. We will have to enable the hibernate mode before we do the wake on LAN feature. So I'm going to show you how to enable it. Go to start menu and then click on settings. And once we are in settings, we'll have to go to system. And once you are in system, we have to go to power and sleep. And here we will have to click on additional power settings. And then here you have to click on what the power buttons do. And okay, yeah, here you will have to enable the hibernate and the fast startup feature. Actually, hibernate is nothing but the fast startup feature, but you have to enable it. Yeah guys, once that's done, as you can see here, the hibernate feature has come in the power off menu. Yeah, that's it. Hello guys, now as you can see, we are in my phone. Now we will go to the Play Store. Okay, in Play Store we will search for wake on LAN. Okay, once we search for wake on LAN, we will get the first result as wake on LAN from MikeWeb. You click on this and you will have to install this application. I have already pre-installed this application, so I will go and open it up. Okay guys, now once we are in the application, we will click on the plus mark in the right side bottom, as you can see here, and you may get many devices, as you may have many devices in your router. So you will have to write down the MAC address of the PC for which you will need to do the wake on LAN. But as in my case, I only have two devices, and the first device is the router itself, so it doesn't count. I only need the PC to wake on LAN. And also one more thing is that you will have to connect to the Wi-Fi network of the router which you have connected the PC, or else this will not work. Okay, now as you can see, I have connected to Aniket Shastri. When you will have to connect to your Wi-Fi in which you have connected the PC with the LAN cable. Okay, now I'll click on my computer and I can name my computer anything. I'm going to name it as computer. Once it's named, just click on add device, and here you go, it's added. Yeah, hello guys. Actually, first you'll have to do the hardware part, then do the software part, or else the software cannot work without the hardware. So you will have to do the hardware part first, then do the software part. I mistakenly put the software part before and then put the hardware part. So be careful while doing, okay? As you can see, this is my router and this black box is my computer. You'll have to connect the LAN cable from the router to the computer, as you can see here. Once that is connected, you will have to power on your computer. Once we power on the computer, we will have to go to the BIOS. As you can see, I'm pressing the del key here, delete key, so it will go to the BIOS. As you can see, I'm going to BIOS. Let me focus it for you. Yeah, now it's focused. Okay guys, now once we are in the BIOS, we will go to the power channel. I will get it there. As you can see, that is the power channel. You need to go to the power channel. Now once you're in the power channel, we will have to go to wake on LAN, and then you'll have to set it to power on. Before it was in stay off, now I have put it to power on. Once that's done, you have to go to exit and exit saving changes, and then press Y. Now once this is done, you will have to go back to your Windows 10. I will come back when the Windows 10 boots. Yeah guys, now as you can see, we are in my Windows 10. Now this feature will only work when you put your computer to sleep or hibernate. As you can see, there is this hibernate option which will not come for you, but you will have to enable it in settings, or you can even put your PC to sleep. I will show you how to enable this hibernate option which comes here afterwards. You'll see that, but you have to put your computer to hibernate. Put it to hibernate. As you can see, click on it in 3 seconds. Once I click on it, the computer will start up. As you can see, there are no tricks here. Okay, I click on it in 3, 2 and 1. As you can see guys, the computer has started.